Do you see a garage door? Wait a second. See? Dynamic Garage Door has developed a unique solution for concealing garage doors in plain sight. In a recent project in Manhattan Beach, they have installed a modern 5-section garage door that blends seamlessly into the exterior walls of a beachfront property. The same siding was used for the garage door as for the surrounding walls, and architectural metal scrims were added to create a camouflage effect, cleverly concealing the garage door opening. You have to see it to believe it.